crypto presale conversations are circling around a key question for retail buyers. Where is the upside that the big names can no longer offer? Bitcoin and Ethereum are undeniably valuable assets, but for a buyer investing now, they're getting into a story that has already played out most of its biggest moves. AlphaPepe is at stage 16 of its presale, having raised more than $1.31 million and attracted over 8,800 wallets. The case for it potentially outperforming blue chips on retail upside comes down to 5 straightforward reasons, none of which require the project to be better than Bitcoin. They just require it to be earlier. The first reason is math. A blue chip like Bitcoin is already worth more than $1 trillion. Even a great year moves it only a fraction. To double from here, it would need to add the entire value of hundreds of smaller projects combined. That's a heavy lift. AlphaPepe, by contrast, is under 2 cents in presale, the same percentage move that barely registers on. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. A blue chip can multiply a small position many times over. The blue chip ceiling is real, and it caps what late entries can realistically make. The second reason is product readiness. Plenty of presales sell a promise. AlphaPepe is selling something you can use right now. AlphaSwap, the project's AI-powered decentralized exchange, is already running on BNB chain. Before any trade clears, it reads the contract and flags the risk. It watches where the bigger wallets are moving. And it spots tokens gaining steam before the crowd. Piles in, the token is not waiting on a roadmap to mean something. The product is here. Third, timing matters. With a blue chip, you're buying after the chart has done most of its work. Everyone has already heard the story. With AlphaPepe, the listing has not happened yet. The presale is the event itself. The fourth reason is visibility. Blue chips are already on every major exchange. AlphaPepe is not. That means fewer eyes, fewer signals, and fewer institutional moves to follow. It's a pure retail event with the potential for a sharp move. The fifth reason is community. Over 8,800 wallets are already in the presale. That's a real community forming around the token. It's not just speculation, it's participation. The stakes are clear. If AlphaPepe can deliver on its product and maintain traction, it could offer significant returns for early participants. But if the project fails to gain momentum or deliver on its promises, the presale could be a dead end. The next signal to watch is whether most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Presale continues to attract new participants, and if AlphaSwap sees increasing usage, a rising number of active users on the DEX and a growing presale wallet count could signal growing confidence in the project. Conversely, a slowdown in new wallets or a lack of product adoption could suggest the project is not gaining traction. For now, AlphaPepe remains a presale with potential. Whether it can beat the blue chips on retail upside depends on whether it can continue to attract attention and deliver on its early-stage promise.